Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make lamb with rice, one pot lamb with rice. So I'm going to add some oil, about 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 large onion, and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm adding 6 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped garlic, 6 cloves. And cook for a few minutes. Adding a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of ginger powder, and paprika, then black pepper, teaspoon of black pepper, then mix. Just gonna add a little bit of oil. Make sure my spices are cooked and they're becoming to be fragrant. I'm looking for a nice fragrance. Now I'm going to add my meat. So this is lamb cutlets that I just cut. I'm going to add some salt. Now I'm going to mix through the meat. Frying the meat for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add about 4 diced tomatoes, 4 large tomatoes that are diced, and then just spread them around like that. And cover with a lid and simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. And I'm just gonna mix through, make sure the tomatoes are cooked. I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of water, or just the meat, until the meat is covered. Just cover the meat with water. And I'm going to simmer on low heat for about 1 hour. Just gonna add a little bit of water until this is covered. Simmer for about 1 hour, low heat. And then cover. Alright, I'm going to add 1 cup of washed rice. This is washed rice, 1 cup. So I don't then cook for about 10 minutes. Just adding green capsicum. Just for a little bit of color. Just adding parsley. Add parsley.